So the other day I was coming down the stairs and I was going to my storage closet and I literally stopped in my tracks because I could not believe how messy I let that room get. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing so together we can strengthen our families one meal at a time. How did you get a hammer? Is this room supposed to hold a hammer? No. Can mommy have the hammer?
No.
Can mommy have the hammer? Oh yes, yes. Come here. No. Don't throw the hammer. Now you can see why I need to completely clean out this room. Hey everybody, my name is Christine, and a few months ago I did a video on the KonMari method that I applied to my kitchen, and you can check out that video right up over here. Well, I realized how bad this closet has gotten, so today we are going to KonMari my storage closet. Do you have a room or a closet in your house that you've allowed things to get in there that really just don't belong? This closet is supposed to be for things like food storage, batteries, and other toiletry items. But instead, I've let things collect in here like dolls, tools, and even paint. I think it's time that we take everything out and only put back in what sparks joy. Ching. I have completed step number 1, which is to remove everything from the shelves, take everything out of the room. I've wiped them all down and I vacuumed out the closet. So now let's move on to step number 2. This part of the process is where I determine whether I keep it, I get rid of it, or I put it into a different part of the house where it actually belongs. Now my shelves are a little bare and I want to use this as a food storage if there's ever a natural disaster or my husband loses his job or the economy tanks. I want to make sure that I have enough food and supplies to support my family if anything goes wrong. So let's head over to Costco and buy a few things so that we can stock up my shelves. Are you going to be my helper today? Should we go do some shopping? Yeah. If you like shopping at Costco or you like having an organized home, make sure you hit that like button. These are my favorite garbage bags. It would be a sin to leave Costco without buying some Spam. Do you like having those samples? Yeah, is it all gone? What did you eat? Yeah, I think you have enough on your cheeks to have enough for leftovers. You don't like it? You don't like hemp hearts? Huh?
We made it.
Oh my gosh.
My shopping cart's full and that's probably all I can afford for today. So let's go pay for it, take it home, and put it in my storage closet. Do you like Costco? Yeah? Hi. Can you blow me kisses? Blow me kisses. What are you doing? What are you doing? I wanted to come in around $300 and I feel like I'm doing pretty good because I came in at $273. I'm so excited I got everything put away from Costco in its proper place. It's all organized, and I even have some extra space to add more stuff to our food storage. Thanks everybody for coming along with me while I Marie Kondo'd my storage room. I am now more organized and better prepared. If you want tips on how you can be better prepared and organized, make sure you check out the link in the description below, and we will see you guys in the next video.